My name is Jeff Proctor. I started at Thrive in March of 2017. My story, I would say, begins in 2014. Thanksgiving weekend, I really could hardly breathe. I was diagnosed as having asthma or COPD. Ended up going to 2 respiratory specialists. Their cure for me was inhalers and steroids, which were extremely short-term. Nothing was ever mentioned to me about my diet, about exercise, about anything except for pharmaceuticals being the answer to all my problems. During the next year and a half, I ended up in the emergency room 4 times. I probably couldn't walk more than 50 feet without stopping to gasp for air. After the last time I was in the ER, I came home and decided that I just didn't want to live like that. So I started looking for other options. I had a friend that told me about Thrive. It's my body's happy place. I'm 56, husband, a father. I'm a builder. In 2017, I started running 5Ks and 10Ks, and then I ran a half marathon, then I ran a half marathon trail, and I went from not being able to walk like 50 feet at one point without stopping for air and ended up in the emergency room. And approximately a year and a half later, I was in my first Spartan race. So that's some of the things that Thrive Wellness has helped me achieve, and there's lots of hope here. You know, when you can see your body react to nutrition sometimes almost instantly, it's truly amazing the things that can happen here. I was in the emergency room in Chelsea Hospital. I was in bad shape, and they injected prednisone into me. It wasn't a pill, they inject you. May have saved my life, I don't know. But you can't live there. And then after that, they would put you on a regimen of prednisone. And the things it does to your body it's horrid. I had a reaction one night. I couldn't watch TV, I couldn't read a book, I couldn't lay down, I couldn't walk. It was horrible for a night. Their answer to that is, well, take a couple of these to calm you down. So now you're on 2 more prescriptions. It was awful, and I didn't want to be there in that situation. So I began to search out alternatives. And thankfully, a friend recommended Thrive Wellness. If the if the Western medical field would have had their way, I would have never seen any of those courses. There was no way. There's absolutely no way. At Thrive, the sky's the limit, really. I mean, your body is so amazing. I mean, if you really think about what I'm saying, I could not walk without taking a breath. To do that, and I've done that through caring for my body, true health care, when you care about your health, and nutrition. It's totally amazing. I love to come see my practitioner. Dr. Shannon, I tell her what's going on. She actually helps me with my nutrition to support those different things that happen in my life. All the staff here I feel like, are family and friends. From the minute you walk in the door and they greet you, to when you're checking out, getting your supplements, as my kids and my wife and my friends and my other family are exposed to this type of healing, it becomes more widespread. I'm thriving. Are you?